Hey, this is Danielle, and today we're going to make some easy gift tags with a laser cutter. We're using the xTool M1 for this. Okay, so we're doing our first project with the M1 xTool laser engraver, and they gave us a bunch of these tags, and I can always use Christmas tags, and we decided to do something really simple. So it is laser engraving everyone's name onto here. So we're going to try it with multiple pieces. We lined up all our tags, and we're going to go over to our computer now. Close this. Okay. Do a couple more maxes, and then do like everyone else's name as well. Okay, so there's a button you can actually click Smart Fill, and it'll fill all of them with the same name, or whatever you're doing. We don't want to do that right now because that's not what we're going for. Okay, so we've got our names all on here, and we're going to click Process. We've got it set to laser flat. It's giving us our estimated time, and then we click Start up here. It says press the button on the device to start processing. Exercise caution when processing flammable materials and do not leave it unattended. We've got a vent out the window, and we're pressing the button. Okay, and here it goes. So this takes a few minutes to work on it. To do all of these, I think it was like 16 minutes or something. Very easy to do. It smells a little bit like wood burning. You don't want to leave it alone because if for some reason there was a fire, you want to be there. You want to have a fire extinguisher. I don't know how common that is, but they do give you warnings about it. I believe this can definitely put off toxic fumes depending on what you are using the laser on. So just make sure to properly vent your machine. Okay, so it is all finished. It beeped, and we can pull these out and add our ties to them. Okay, so you can just take some twine. They actually give you some twine to use, but I'm making a lot of these, so I'm not sure if there's enough in there. So I'm just going to cut a bunch and use it for this. I hope this was helpful. Thanks so much for watching. I really think this machine is super easy to use, and I'm really excited to give it a try for some more projects. Subscribe to my channel so you can see all of the other projects I do with this machine. Take care.